So Gray Studio is about to release its first 75% custom keyboard, the Aero75, which was inspired by the designer's favorite band, Aerosmith. Now this will be a showcase instead of a full review since the in-stock sale news came out of nowhere, but I scrambled to put this short video together to help you with your buying decision. Now the sale for the Aero75 will start Tuesday, November 15th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and will cost between $409 to $429 depending on the color that you select. And I advise you to be ready because this thing is going to go super fast. I have a link in the description to a page that has all of the sales information, including colors, quantity, so check that out so you can start planning. Now the keyboard is beautifully packed as Gray Studio always does. It comes with everything you need to build, including a plate in either polycarbonate or FR4, this really nice looking 1.2mm hot swap PCB with support for step caps lock only. You also get plate foam, IXPE foam, and this sponge-like silicone noise reduction foam, as well as insulation foam. Another unique aspect of the board are these ribbons in multiple colors, which are also included in the kit. They also give you a backup daughter board JST cable and some SMD LEDs. And as usual, you get this awesome toolkit from Gray Studio as well. There are two different gaskets included. One is a full silicone gasket jacket that slides on the plate like this, and the other is gasket slippers that slide onto each side of the leaf springs. Now the slippers can be installed in 3 different combinations, giving you 4 different methods of installation, including the sleeves, to give you a different typing feel. Now the case is a 3-piece design similar to the Space65 R3. It has a beautiful stainless steel PVD weight with a dotted design that takes inspiration from a Marshall amp, and it comes with this metal artisan with a guitar pick on it. Theme execution is pretty dope. I love the way the mid-case color accents all around the board. The top right key has the same design as the weight with the little RGB LED that shines through a bit. The cover on the USB-C port is magnetic, so make sure you don't lose it during the build process. The ribbons add some flair to the board, but it doesn't loop around the end, so don't think you can walk around town with this on your wrist. The build process is very similar to the Space65 R3, so I'll refer you to that video for a breakdown for the build process. Essentially, you have these internal screws that remove the bottom case from the mid and top case. Then you have 12 more screws to open up the mid case to lay your PCB plate assembly into. Once you have that ready, screw the top and mid case back together, and then you have to place the screws for the bottom case through these little holes in the PCB and plate. Luckily, the screws and the screw bit are magnetic, so this is not a big problem, but it does take some time to do simple mods. It's a total of 20 screws. Damn. Overall, the Aero75 is a dope board and Gray Studio never seems to miss. Typing feel is nice and soft. And here's a sound test with all the foams minus the sponge foam using the hamster switches from KBD fans with the GMK Grand Prix keycaps. The board is a bit quiet, similar to the Space65 R3. So if you want to amplify it up a bit, tape up the flex cuts and you should be good to go. By the way, I just hit 10,000 subscribers and I can't thank you guys enough. I got some giveaways on the way on both my channel and Instagram. So subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an upload or the giveaways. Instagram link will also be in the description. Much love to you all. Peace.